Welcome, scholars! In this lecture, we will learn about the meaning and concept of research, various definitions of research, and the important characteristics of research. Research is one of the most important activities in academic life because it helps us discover new knowledge, solve problems, and understand the world around us in a systematic way. As students and future researchers, it is essential for you to understand what research actually means and why it is conducted. When we hear the word research, many people think that it simply means searching for information on Google or reading books. However, research is much more than that. The word research is derived from two words, re, meaning again, and search, meaning to look for or investigate. Therefore, research literally means to search again and again in order to discover facts, verify information, and gain deeper understanding. In simple words, research is a systematic and scientific investigation conducted to find answers to questions or solutions to problems. For example, imagine a teacher notices that students are performing poorly in English examinations. If the teacher simply guesses the reason, that is not research. However, if the teacher collects data from students, conducts surveys, analyzes examination results, and studies different factors affecting performance before reaching a conclusion, then this becomes research. Thus, research is always based on evidence rather than assumptions. The concept of research is based on the idea of generating knowledge through scientific methods. Human beings are naturally curious and always want to know why things happen. Research satisfies this curiosity by providing reliable and valid answers. Whether in education, medicine, business, technology, agriculture, or social sciences, research plays a crucial role in expanding knowledge and solving practical problems. Let us now understand some important definitions of research given by scholars. According to Redman and Mori, research is a systematized effort to gain new knowledge. This definition highlights that research is an organized process whose purpose is to discover something new. Similarly, Clifford Woody defines research as a process involving problem identification, hypothesis formulation, data collection, analysis, and conclusion drawing. This definition shows that research consists of several interconnected steps. According to Cresswell, research is a process of collecting and analyzing information to increase understanding of a topic or issue. All these definitions emphasize that research is systematic, scientific, and knowledge-oriented. One important aspect of research is that it is a search for truth. In daily life, people often make claims based on opinions or beliefs. Research, however, requires evidence. For instance, some people may believe that online learning is more effective than classroom learning, while others may disagree. A researcher does not rely on personal opinions. Instead, they collect data, compare learning outcomes, and analyze results before reaching a conclusion. This evidence-based approach is what makes research scientific. Research is also considered a problem-solving activity. Many research studies begin with a practical problem that needs a solution. For example, a researcher may study why school dropout rates are increasing, why unemployment is affecting young people, or how farmers can improve crop production. Through systematic investigation, research provides solutions that can help individuals, organizations, and governments make better decisions. Another important concept is that research contributes to the creation of new knowledge. Scientific discoveries, technological innovations, and educational improvements are all outcomes of research. During the COVID-19 pandemic, researchers around the world conducted extensive studies to develop vaccines and treatments. These efforts significantly expanded scientific knowledge and helped protect millions of lives. This example clearly demonstrates how research contributes to society. Now let us discuss the characteristics of research. One of the most important characteristics is that research is systematic. It follows a planned sequence of steps rather than random activities. A researcher first identifies a problem, reviews existing literature, develops a hypothesis or research question, collects data, analyzes information, and finally draws conclusions. Because of this organized process, research produces reliable results. Another characteristic is objectivity. Research should be free from personal bias or prejudice. A researcher must report findings honestly, even if the results do not support their expectations. For example, if a researcher believes that social media improves academic performance but the collected data shows negative effects, the researcher must present the actual findings rather than personal opinions. Research is also empirical, which means it is based on observation and evidence. Researchers gather real data through surveys, interviews, experiments, observations, or documents. Instead of making assumptions, they rely on facts. For instance, to study student attendance patterns, a researcher would collect attendance records rather than depend on guesswork. Another important characteristic is logical reasoning. Research findings must be based on logical analysis of evidence. Conclusions should naturally emerge from the collected data. If the data indicates that students who study regularly achieve better grades, then the conclusion should reflect this relationship. Research is also controlled. Researchers try to minimize external influences that may affect the results. For example, while testing a new teaching method, researchers may ensure that all students follow the same curriculum and have similar learning conditions. This helps maintain accuracy and validity. An essential feature of research is replicability. This means that other researchers should be able to repeat the study using the same procedures and obtain similar results. Replication increases confidence in the findings and strengthens scientific knowledge. Research is also critical and analytical. Researchers carefully examine information, question assumptions, and evaluate evidence before accepting any conclusion. They do not simply believe information because it appears convincing. Instead, they critically analyze its reliability and validity. Furthermore, research must be reliable and valid. Reliability means that results remain consistent when the study is repeated, while validity means that the research actually measures what it intends to measure. For example, if a questionnaire is designed to assess student motivation, it should accurately measure motivation and not some unrelated factor. Finally, research is always problem-oriented. Every research study begins with a question, issue, or problem that requires investigation. Whether the objective is to improve educational practices, understand social behavior, develop medical treatments, or enhance business performance, research starts with a desire to find answers. To conclude, research is a systematic, objective, empirical, and scientific process of generating knowledge and solving problems. It helps us move beyond assumptions and opinions by relying on evidence, analysis, and logical reasoning. Through research, we gain deeper understanding of various phenomena, develop innovative solutions, and contribute to the advancement of society. As students, understanding the meaning, concept, definitions, and characteristics of research is the first step toward becoming effective researchers and critical thinkers. Thank you, scholars. In the next lecture, we will explore the types of research and understand how different research approaches are used in academic and professional studies.